Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. A set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, Burmeister sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel. And popping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with sensors in the front and rear. Got our hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our different driving modes, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 24,340 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.